I feel like if you wear this wig 3 times, the wig will finish. Like everything will fall out and fall on the floor. If a candle or lighter comes near you, I'm sorry, you're on fire. It's not like there's any ombre situation going on here. This wig is wearing a wig. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if this is not your first time here. Today I'm going to be trying wigs from Jumia.com. Guys, I was just scrolling through the internet some weeks ago and I had just seen people trying wigs from Wish.com and people trying wigs from Amazon. I'm like, hold on, Amazon and Wish are not really a big thing this part of Africa, but then Jumia is a thing. Jumia is like the biggest. They're basically like Amazon, okay? But then they are the biggest place to shop online here in Nigeria and in some other African countries as well. I was like, I'm going to go on Jumia and order affordable wigs because before human hair became a thing, okay, and everybody started rocking 22 inches Euro-Asian, Brazilian, Puerto Rican mixed with Indian hair, everybody was wearing cheap wigs from the beauty supply store. So I gave myself a budget of 5,000 per wig and I bought 5 wigs in total. I did not even know what was going on because I thought I was going to get everything in 1 week. After I placed my order and got a confirmation, and I realized that out of all the wigs that I had added in my cart, only one was going to be shipped to me from here in Nigeria. There are so many sellers, different vendors on Jumia, just like you get on Amazon. So I just got 1 wig like 3 days after I placed my order. The other 4, I had to wait a whooping 2 weeks. I think 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. Let me just say 2 weeks to get the rest. So I'm really excited, guys. I have my scissors here. Let's start. By the way, if you're curious about like Jumia's packaging, I am not a big fan of this. First of all, let me say my mind before I start because I don't understand why they don't bother to like add like details like of the package itself. For people who receive a lot of packages like I do, like I ordered, like I knew that things were coming from Jumia, but like just imagine someone who ordered a bunch of stuff, like different things from different vendors from Jumia, and these packages don't come with labels. I don't know if they put like paper receipts inside. We're going to see that. However, they kind of hand like a printed like receipt invoice to you separately. Example, like they do this and then they do this. I'm not a big fan of it. They should just figure out a way to just kind of attach that to this. Okay, makes more sense. This one just says parcel number Nigeria on it. So this was one of the like international orders. Okay, so this one comes with a wig cap. Okay, this doesn't smell bad. It doesn't have like a very like bad, like obvious synthetic type of smell to it. This one actually comes with 2 straps here that you can use to adjust things. This obviously looks so different, okay, from what I saw when I was shopping. This, by the way, sold for 2,999 naira, technically 3K. So I'm just going to pop this onto my head. On the picture, the model was wearing this as a side part. So I'm going to put it on my head. Oh my Lord. Guys, this looks so different. Like, honestly, with this, I'm not really, because a lot of these people, like, they kind of use pictures, I'm sure, that weren't even theirs on that website. But then I was low-key hoping that some of them will be wearable. Guys, this wig is ugly. I am sorry. I'm just so sorry that it is ugly. I actually like the curls. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I love the curls. I love the texture. Like, I love it. I am actually low-key looking for something that has this type of waves. However, this site here is a nightmare. I don't think I've ever seen anyone wearing any wig like this. Whatever they put here is just a problem, is an issue. It's also shedding a lot, guys. Like, I have a lot of hair. Wait, let me show you guys something. Put your hands like this and you bring it out and look at all the hair you have. Sorry. I feel like can you guys see just the amount of hair? Like, I run my hands through it and I comb. Guys, if I actually stay like this hair looks good. Okay? If I stay like this, it doesn't look so bad. But am I going to start walking around like this? Okay, if somebody asks me what's the problem, I said I bought a wig that is unwearable, so I'm trying to wait. I feel like if you wear this wig 3 times, the wig will finish. Like everything will fall out and fall on the floor. Because I don't see the reason why I should just running my hand like this. I'm just like coming like so much hair. Guys, the floor is hair right now. So next one here, the same thing, no name, nothing on the packaging. Has a little thing here that says Nigeria. I'm not sure why they wrapped this like bread. This also has a little wig cap, wig net thing here. Honestly, I wasn't even expecting much when it comes to this. I wasn't expecting anything at all inside the bag. So the name of this on the website is Fashion Short Hair Female Wig. Price $2,590. I'm trying to figure out where the front is. So wait. You know what, right? Guys, this one, okay. This one actually, to me, does not look that bad. It's also shedding a lot. I'm just like running my fingers through it. But it's not shedding as much as the first one. Guys, this is actually not that bad. This one even has layers. Do you people know what layers is? Like they even layered it. It looks very nice. And can you guys see the back? It even, because my hair grows really low on my nape, and this actually goes all the way down to this place, which is good. The shape of it overall is not my favorite thing, but then again, in terms of construction and the layers and everything that they've added to it and it's staying put, guys, it's actually not that bad. This one, like I said initially, sold for $2,590. Obviously, like the cut and shape of it is like very, very much different from what the model has on, because you know, the model, you can see that there are like sharp, how do I explain it? Like the cut is kind of like layered and very like sharp in front. It's not the same with this one. However, overall, is this a terrible wig? No, I don't think that it is. This is number 2. This is actually the most expensive wig that I bought. This sold for 3,970 naira, so almost 4,000 naira. And it also comes with this wig net thing here. The color is dark brown, but then again, looking at this, it doesn't look like your average dark brown. Like I already said, my expectations were not that high when I was shopping for these wigs, especially seeing that they used the pictures of some really popular people. They were using them on there to sell their wigs, okay? So I wasn't hoping for that much. But then again, I know that a lot of people actually go on these websites like thinking that they will get what they are paying for. Guys, I'm not even sure who I look like. Compared to the first one, this is not shedding at all. It's very like synthetic, feels like if a candle or lighter comes near you, I'm sorry, you're on fire. This is a fire magnet. This is just, it's very, very synthetic, obviously, but then like I said, it's not shedding like the first one. I don't even know under what circumstance that I would say that you would manage this, but I think that you can manage this for Halloween. If also like you want a wig that you can probably wear for like a week or 2, like tying this part down, like nobody really knows what is going on here, then probably maybe check this one out. What else did I want to say again? The cap is also nice. The size is good. It's not too small. It actually fits my head really well. So yeah, this is the third one, guys. What do you think? I didn't want to just play it safe all through. I ordered the blonde platinum, like my village people would say. This also comes with like a hairnet thing. This particular one sold for 3,109 naira. I am going to attach a picture of the model somewhere here on the screen so that you guys will see. This looks and just like feels very synthetic, like very, very synthetic. This is a fire hazard. I'm sorry. Hey man, this wig is killing me. Okay, sorry. The model, obviously, in the picture was wearing like a bone straight, very long wig. And you guys can see that around the place where there's the part, that area is darker, just to make it look a little bit natural, so darker than the rest. What these people have done here, can you guys see in the picture, the dark roots kind of stop somewhere here, which makes sense. The dark part kind of goes all the way down here. That's not even the funniest part. The funniest part is that it's not like there's any ombre situation going on here. This wig is wearing a wig. Okay? This blonde wig is wearing a black wig. First of all, I have so many things to say right now. Not only is this a fire hazard, because this feels like sponge. You know the kind of sponge you use to wash pots in the kitchen, okay? The kind of sponge you use to wash plates that have tough stains. That's what this hair feels like. But then outside of that is the fact that nobody can convince me that this is not something for terrorists. They cannot expect anybody under normal circumstances to wear this anywhere. You can't. I'm really sorry for those who will look at that picture and be like, oh, blonde wig, it looks nice. Guys, don't do it. I have spent my money to save you from distress. Please, I'm just going to take this off of my head. This is the ugliest by far. The last wig is actually the one that came first. And this is the one that I got from a Nigerian vendor. I'm going to attach a picture of it somewhere on the screen. So it doesn't feel as synthetic as the dark brown one or the blonde one. By the way, guys, this particular one stinks. Actually, it smells like burning plastic. It smells like expired plastic. This is also looking like a Halloween something. Wait, let me try and adjust it, okay? This one is the fashion curly human hair, and this particular one sold for 2,888 naira. This is one of those things that I feel like, you know, you can manage for maybe like a week or two. You know, it looks so different, okay, from the picture, but then does this look somewhat wearable? Yes, it does. It doesn't look as bad or like as different as the rest. I think that I would give this number 2. I'll give this second. Like the first one would be the short wig. I thought that that was very wearable, followed by this, okay, then followed by the dark brown one, then followed by the first curly one that I wore, and then followed by the sponge, the blonde sponge. But this isn't like terrible. This is like okay. But just know that what you get, especially because what the model had on in the picture was very, very thick and the curls were very thick and full. That's not what you're getting, babies. So guys, that's it. I had a lot of fun actually. I spent about 20k. I spent 20k, I think, on the dot. Hold on, let me look at my order confirmation again. So my total was 20,156 naira, and I got all of this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. If you really like my videos, please don't forget to share them. I always say subscribe and like give the video a like, you know, towards the end, but I don't think that a lot of you actually know where the like button is. There's a thumbs up and thumbs down button like under this video, so just give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe. Why is my voice going wonky? Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, guys. I'll see you in my next one.